Hello guys, back with another video of Linux tool changer. Okay, so as you can see right now, I'm printing some parts for the Dockslide. So now we're going to start building our Dockslide, since we have the parts sent over from Blue Rolls, thanks to Peter. So I'm printing the parts and I'm going to start work on the Dockslide. And the Katana print that I print, just want to show you guys the quality. This is the quality of the Katana print. Not too bad, still okay. Zero waste printing. And does the Katana print works? Let's see. Yep, definitely works. For the white is because of the stringing, there's a bit of color bleeding, but doesn't matter. This is not for sale or anything. This is just for me to test on the how good the nozzle offset is. So everything works. Let me try to close this up. Yep. Okay, so this is the print. I think there's a logo here. I don't know what logo it is, but thanks again to the person who designed this Katana print in place multicolor. It's a very good model for you to test your tolerance of the nozzle offset. It's really good, and I like the model very much. I'm going to, I think, pass this model to my daughter or my son, just to keep as a memento. And I think I will stop printing some models at the moment, because I'm going to be concentrating on building the Dockslide. So we will start the progress on the Dockslide. So I think we start with using the MGN servo first, then we can try the NEMA 17 as well. This is a much more lighter version than the NEMA 17 and lesser components. So this is just a short video to update you that everything is going well. This print as well, I want to show you this print. This is a good example to show what Linux tool changer can do for you. This is a very good example. So I'm very satisfied with this. Alright, so I'll see you guys in the next video. These are all the things that I have test printed with Linux as well. As you can see, the dual color benchy. This is when I first have just two tool head. Two tool head. That's why I print with two colors. This is when I print with three colors. This is when I have the four colors, five colors. These are five colors. So that's the advanced step by step that I done. So I see you guys in the next video. Once I get the Dockslide up and running, we're going to test it slowly and we see how everything goes, right? So see you guys later. Catch you guys later. Yeah, do join us on Discord, and also if you have any comments, any question, you can post them in YouTube or in Discord as well. Subscribe, give a like. It really helps the channel and our development very much. And also, if you want to give it a try, do download the files at GitHub. If you have any queries on how to build, what to use, for example, you can just post them on our Discord. And I have also posted the files in printables and MakerWorld, so you guys can have a look over there as well. Alright, see you guys, man.